if you look at this, you notice when the black frigate birds came out over there yesterday, and I said that rain would fall. Look at the sky. That's right, yeah. And look, you see, rain actually fell. Rain did fall. Yeah, rain fell last night. Yeah, rain fell last night. Yeah. Yeah, rain fell last night. Yeah, rain fell last night. So that's what I was explaining. And if you notice, there's still forage fish right there. There's forage fish right there. If you focus on the sea, where I'm looking at, you could see the ripple, the ripples show where the forage fish are when they come up to the surface. It's just a typical thing. Yeah. Okay. Right.